Yeah. Yeah. Yo. Ayo, I think I've had enough. I wet my whistle like when Harry met Sally, going out like Billy Crystal with the roll of a dice. A good bluff and some shitty advice just to carry through the night, cause shit be getting heavy on my mind. Shit be getting really heavy on my mind.
An enemy of yours is an enemy of mine. You know I got your back. Some drink Hennessy or wine, some roll up a sack to unwind the stress and tension. Early in the AM, focus, energy, attention. They got the answer, but you beg the question. Just when they thought it would end, you make your entrance.
To enhance the sentence, I put the page to the pen. I mean the pen to the page, it be my only escape. I got a short fuse rage, so I'm ready for retaliation. Dude, don't step to this, cause I ain't got the patience. Your new style is overrated and you keep playing yourself, rapping for people who don't know what rap is.
What's up, safe crew? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, remember to like and subscribe, hit that thumbs up. My name is Sonic, and if you guys noticed already, I changed the name of my channel. I am no longer Sonic the Explorer, it is Sonic and Friends Explore. So guys, let's get into today's videos. I'm right here at BIRRIERIA Morales. Pretty hungry, guys. Haven't ate anything since 9 in the morning. It's about 12 p.m. right now. Yeah guys, so let's just get into it. All right, man, let's order some good food. Hola.
Hola, buenas tardes.
Me da 2 tacos dorados.
2 tacos
y uno con queso dorado.
Okay.
Y un consomé chico sin carne.
2 dorados.
Sí.
Dorado con queso. ¿Quieres cilantro y cebolla?
Ah, sí, con todo.
¿Sí? ¿Algo para tomar?
No, así está bien.
¿Va a ser para aquí o para llevar?
Ah, para aquí. Alright guys, just got my food right now. I got my consommé. There's no meat. Shit looks rich. Delicious broth, reddish. I got my tacos. Let's dig in, man. I'm really hungry. I ain't gonna be talking, I'm just really hungry right now. Damn. Alright. I got my salsa, got my lemon. Add a little lemon. Add a little. There we go. Alright. Give me 1 second. Alright guys, just making sure the camera's good and everything. Oh, sorry about that little hit the table there. Alright guys, even though I'm feeling a little nervous, it's been a while since I uploaded a video. That's my mistake. Ooh, that salsa looks dangerous. It's very spicy. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys can tell, but look at the color of the tortilla. It's like it's fried in its own oil and broth or something like that. Check it out. Hope you guys can see that. It's just full of flavor. Woo. That's what I'm talking about right here. Damn. Yeah. We're on Atlantic Boulevard in East LA. BIRRIERIA Morales. It's just really bomb, man. Really, really fucking bomb, man. Didn't we eat the one with the cheese? Oh no, It ain't finger licking good. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Check this one out. Alright. Add a little salsa, the one with cheese. I'm not gonna add lemon to this one, just try it out like that. Everybody just hits you, the flavor hits the pad of the tongue. Damn. Hope you guys can hear me. The music's a little loud, but that's alright. I'm already getting full with this one. I should have ordered 3, should have just ordered 2. I thought they were going to be smaller than this. We got the broth right here. And that broth is absolutely deliciousness. Absolutely amazing.
Everyone loves shopping online. Well, I'm going to tell you what I tell my golf buddies when they buy clubs. Stop searching for coupon codes. Download Capital One Shopping via your computer. Capital One Shopping instantly searches for available coupon codes and automatically applies them to checkout. Plus, it's free, and you don't even need a Capital One card to use it. That's like getting a hole-in-one without even trying. Capital One Shopping.
You can taste all the spices in that broth.
El nuevo antitranspirante Blvd Plus
Sounds like someone's getting pulled over.
hidratante y se desliza en tu piel suavemente sin causar irritación, dándote más confianza. Ya sea si te toca trabajar o jugar, hazlo con confianza. El nuevo Blvd Plus Care Ultimate está hecho con una innovadora fórmula a base de agua que ofrece más
Alright guys,
hidratación y protección.
I'm gonna finish up my food. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up. Remember to like and subscribe. If you guys never been here, please come and check this place out in East LA on Atlantic Boulevard. Birria Morales. Absolutely good birria, man. They also have al pastor, which is new. I'll probably come back and try that out next time. But for now guys, that's the end of the video. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Catch you on the upside down. Remember, stay safe, stay fearless. Peace out.
Yo, no need for quarantine, I keep my distance. Cause lately I've been drifting off in space, thinking about my worst mistakes and how my train of thought is out of place. Memories I'm trying to recreate, but I keep writing on my page. I know this shit is in my veins, unorthodox like Dr. Strange. Yeah, another night, I be hoping shit could change. And my this shit is comic over me. I got range like Crystal P, running up the lane. Yeah, you couldn't see the exchange. Hip-hop refinement with age, it's like you never seen it coming. Tony Tron and Artie Bags, yo, can hit you today, yeah.
Aquí estamos, ¿puedo hablar?
Sí, puede hablar.
Aquí estamos con la fruta, el chau chau. Vendemos aguas frescas, frutas frescas, tostilocos. Tenemos piña, tenemos pepino, sandía, jamaica y la aventada tuna, que es de México. La número 1 viene del nopal.
¿O de nopal?
Aquí estamos, sí, aquí estamos. Aquí tenemos peras, tenemos tunas, la fruta fresca. Todos, mis amigos, aquí estamos para servirles.
¿Y cuánto?
¿Cuál es 5 para ti, hijo? $5. Ajá. $5 vale. Pásale, mi amigo, pásale. Una agüita, una frutita.
Ese es de sandía, ¿no?
Sandía.
Dame uno de sandía, pues.
Sí, cómo no. Una especialidad de la casa.
Thought this was gonna be the end of the video, guys, but needed something to drink, something cold. It's too hot out here.
Pruébela y usted dígame y sobre la cámara cómo está tan rica.
Let's try it out, guys.
Algo bien sabroso, algo bien rico, algo especial, único. Único porque es pura sandía.
Oh yeah,
100%
really good.
Especial.
Got chunks of watermelon in there. It's the real deal, guys. Damn.
Y la ponemos especial, preparada. Preparada la vamos a poner con tajín, con chamoy y con miguelito.
Okay.
Una especialidad
So
de la
guys,
casa.
this is pineapple, cucumber, watermelon. ¿Qué era esta?
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
La otra es tuna.
Tuna. That's from Mexico.
Traen from México. Esta es. Esa es de la fruta. Esta es de la tuna.
La tuna, ok, ya sé cuál es.
La mera mera. Ya le pusimos su chamucito, su miguelito. Bien sabroso. Le vamos a poner su chilito. ¿Ah? Y su toque final. El toque final, mis amigos. ¿Ah? La pura vida. Ahora vuelve la vida. Se cierra. Y miren, ¿eh? Una miche sandía especial. O sí, pruébela, mi amigo.
Okay.
Y diga usted cómo quedó, especialmente para... Señorita, ¿qué le doy? Tengo la de piña, tengo la de pepino con alfalfa, espinacas, sandía, jamaica y la de tuna. ¿Cómo quedó, mi niño?
Bien.
Especial,
Bien rico.
chingona, número 1. La pura.
Oh, that's delicious.
¿Cuál le hago, mi reina? ¿Te gusta también igual? Sí, cómo no.
Gotta get my money here. Shit. One second, guys.
¿Cómo quedó, mi niño?
Bien.
Bueno, sí. ¿También le pongo tu chile y todo eso?
Let's come around. Let's go this side.
Lo mueve. Esto es para que disfrutes, pero sin acose. Los secretos saliendo del closet. Cumbia pa' que muevan, cumbia pa' que gocen. Pa' bailarla por el día y después de las 12. Bailan pegaditos, pero sin el roce. Movimiento dame lo que tú ya lo conoces. Yo sé que esto es cumbia buena y que te encanta cómo suena. Por lo menos, mamá, tú lo reconoces. Que le dé fútbol a la gente.
6, 7, 8, 9. Gracias. Gracias, mi reina. Igualmente, mi reina, que le vaya bonito. Estamos todos.
Alright, guys. That's the name of the place. Chachu. ¿Cómo se llama el?
El chau chau.
El Chau Chau.
Chau chau.
El Chau Chau.
Así, mi niño.
Hey guys, that's just really good though.
Especial.
Muchas gracias.
Ya estoy, mi hijo, ¿eh?
Gracias.
Aquí, mi niño. Si quieres, aquí te espero para que grabes.
Ah, sí, ok, pues. Okay.
Bye.
Gracias.
Dígame, mi jefito.
Alright, guys. That's a little bonus clip. Stay safe, stay fearless. Peace out.